HG377 x 12.7 mm production line is a custom solution for Latin American clients, combining square direct forming without roll changes and round pipe production. It produces F100 F305 mm square tubes, 100 x 150, 254 x 355 mm rectangular tubes, and 5168, 5377 mm round pipes on one line. One set of molds covers all square and rectangular sizes, supporting one-click quick specification switching. For round pipe production, the rough forming section shares one set of molds. Switching between square/rectangular pipes and round pipes only requires replacing the shaft system, which brings a more compact layout, higher space utilization, and optimized overall investment for customers. The line adopts a segmented centralized drive structure with an advanced drive control system, enabling precise distribution of drive torque and segmented speed regulation. The mill is designed based on field data. Through rigorous data derivation, theoretical verification, and mechanical model calculation, the strength check of core components is completed via finite element analysis, ensuring stable and durable operation of the equipment. Its innovative variable radius and variable pressure points forming ensures even stress distribution at the four or corners. This effectively reduces wall thinning and cracking at the arc corners of square and rectangular pipes, delivering products with accurate dimensions, regular shape, and superior surface quality.